In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chrome on Windows 10. First, let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. You can use either Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox to get started. If you find yourself using a different browser, no worries, most other browsers will work just fine too. Opening up Edge is often a good starting point as it comes pre-installed on Windows 10. Now that you have your browser ready, we'll head over to the official Google Chrome website. Simply type Google Chrome in your search bar or directly enter the URL into the browser's address bar. It's important to ensure you are accessing the official site to avoid any security issues or potential scams. Once you are on the Google Chrome homepage, you'll notice options for downloading Chrome. Here, you need to choose your operating system. If you're using Windows 10, select the appropriate option to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. This step is crucial in making sure the software works seamlessly on your computer. Click on the button or link that typically says something like Download Chrome for Windows to proceed to the next step. Now keep an eye out for a link or button labeled Chrome Installer. Clicking this will initiate the download of the installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to choose a location to save the file, or it might automatically save to your default downloads folder. Given we're downloading a file from the internet, patience is key here. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, you'll want to navigate to your downloads folder. You can do this by opening the File Explorer and selecting Downloads from the list on the left side. Alternatively, most browsers provide a shortcut to access your recent downloads, often through a drop-down menu accessible by clicking an icon at the top of the browser. Find the file you just downloaded. It should have a name similar to chromesetup.exe. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. A pop-up will likely appear asking for permission to make changes to your device. This is a standard Windows user account control prompt, and you should select yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Chrome installer. It will guide you through the process, which usually involves just a few clicks. After the installation process completes, Google Chrome should automatically open and guide you through an initial setup or sign-in process if needed. And there you have it, you're now ready to start browsing with Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Keeping it updated regularly will ensure you have the latest security features and performance improvements. Happy browsing!